So today we will be starting May-June 2021 paper 3-1, and the portion is spreadsheet. So here, class 5 data analysis, you are going to use a spreadsheet to list properties in Bali that matches the location and room types entered by the user. Open and examine the files of home and rate. You can see that it's in CSV in a spreadsheet package. So let's do it. Home and rate. Where is the rate? Now you see that it's written row 2 in home. This home, row 2, this is the row 2. These are all the locations. As you can see, this is location column. So this table is totally horizontal, right? In this way. Earlier we used to do as a list like this, vertical. But this one is horizontal in this way. So the location, this one is a location, this one is a location. All of these things are location. And what are these? These are the properties in this location. Okay, like in Ubud, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 locations, and there are also 6 locations, 6 properties in one location. Okay, so what they said, row 2 contains the location of the properties, and row 3 to 8 contains the name of the properties. Row 3 to 8, all of these things are the properties. So these files will be used to provide data for a spreadsheet and must not be changed. So we have to open the list file now. And do like this. Examine data has been placed in B4 and B5 already is there as a test data. So this is B4, this is B5. These are the test data. It's already there. Now what you have to do, place the header left aligned, list prepared by. I will go for the header. Where left aligned, list all is if there is a space, let me check. No space, but I put it. Okay. But they said followed by space, your name, center number, and candidate number. Center number and candidate number will be together. Okay. And then a space. There is a comma over here. Followed by a space. He said on followed by a space and today's automated date. 500. So that's it. You can put a space over here because you want to make sure that it's name, center number, carrier number, all of these things. And let's save this spreadsheet with this name underscore center number and candidate number. So file save as in your work area definitely. What is the name? J2131 BHH. 2131 BHH underscore SA 172 underscore 1234. 1234. It is saved. I will go for the view, normal view. Now let's see, all of these things are done. Format the especially look like this, like Bali holiday homes. Make it bigger. Bold, black background, white, center aligned. All of these things are center aligned. 2 is inserted. All of these things are center aligned. 2 is inserted. And definitely is I have to format A and B, merge and center align, make it bigger. And this one again. So this is it. More bigger is needed? No, it's okay. And these fonts look like a little bit bigger. So that's it. Format the mark cell A1 to B1 to contain a white 28 point text on background. So let's see if we have maintained that one. White 28 point, no. White 28 point is like this. And it will be like this. Enter the function in cell B7. So let's go to the cell B7. What is that? So B7 is this one. Depending on the room type, looks up the numbers of person. Now, see, looks out the numbers of person. See, code is given, person is there. So we have to, we already have that queue. That means he has to show in B73. Okay. Now I'll go for VLOOKUP. What I will look? I will look for this queue. Where I will look? In the rate. I will take only 2 because I have to show only the person, number of persons. And I want to print 2, column 2 and 0. It's coming 3. Similarly, in B8, depending on the room type, display the breakfast. Again, the same thing. Now, what you have to do, according to this 3, we have to show this breakfast is included or not. So what I will do, similarly, we'll use VLOOKUP. P lookup. Again, I will look for Q. Tabular is I'll take the whole and 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 column I will print and 0. So it can be yes. Then we have sorry, number 18. Cell B10 to B15 must be displayed the names of properties. Now I'll explain this one. Say this is the ubud. Okay, the location is given. So in this location, this ubud is the location. If I select ubud, definitely all of these 5 resources will show. First of all, this is the thing. These 5 resources will show. But if there are less than 6 properties available in that location, that means here there are not 6 locations, right? There are 5 locations. So if there are 5 locations, cells not displaying a property name, it should be blank. That means the 6th one should be blank. Okay, it will take the first 5. If it has 4 properties, it will take the first 4 like this. So you have to enter a formula in B10, which will replicate later in B11 to B15. So let's see. First of all, we will check for the location lookup. That means for ubud, we will find out V lookup or H lookup. H lookup we will go for. So first we will check the first location for ubud. Okay, so but it is given that if anything is 0, that means 5, definitely it will not show the location. So we'll make it a nested if then H lookup. Okay, if this one, what I will look, room type or location B4 is in this list. I'll select only this portion in this list, and I have to print which one according to no. Here is the thing. Now when I'm printing this one, I have to check that this is the number. Number 1 is this one, number 2 is this one. Like this, we have to show. So number 1 means this is A10. So column index I want to print here. Number 1 is this one, and every time it will be +1. Why? Because it will go for the next one. It will search for the next one. So I will write down A10 +1 and of course 0. Okay, and then if this one is equals to 0, then what will happen? As it said that I will keep it blank. So blank, I keep it blank. So if condition, first portion condition part is done, now value if true is done. Now what is value false? The same thing like that one as I wrote, H lookup and the whole thing. Okay, if it is blank, then definitely it is blank, no doubt. Understood? And if it is not blank, it will be the same thing. I have copied. Now I'll close the argument. So it's done. Now I have made one mistake over here intentionally. Why is that? To show you that what is the problem. As you have seen that I have selected B4. So in this formula, I have taken this one A10 +1. Every time if I replicate up to here, it is coming down to the next one. See, so it is not finding what is there. So what you have to do, you have to fix this Ubud location. That means you have to go for absolute and relative referencing, which is the dollar F4. Okay, here different setting like this, and of course have to make it absolute. Okay, understood? So this is the formula we will use. We are making it absolute, otherwise it is going down, so it is not finding. That's why the data is not coming. Okay, understood? Now if I replicate, all the things will come. Now see, the number 6 is empty because it found empty. If it is 0, then we will keep it empty. See, here we kept it empty. Okay, now save your spreadsheet, save it, print the spreadsheet showing the formula. This one holds 11 marks. Print the spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure it's landscape orientation, row and column headings are displayed, contents are fully visible. So if you go for it, file, print, this is how it is coming. So landscape orientation, and speed to one page sheet, it is showing the row and column heading. So it will come like this, but they are asking showing the formula. Show formula. Now it is adjusted. Let's see, print, and yeah, everything we can see over here, and we'll go for the printout. Okay, after setting up, after setting all this up, and we'll go for the printout. This is the first one. Then printout to it is done. Print your spreadsheet showing the values, portrait not displayed, row and column heading and visible. So let's see, almost see. Now print, this is portrait. We don't have to show the row and column heading, and this is how we'll print. Next, change the data to produce a list of properties with a room type of G and Nusa Lembongan something. Okay, so it will be G, and this one is Nusa. Oh, sorry. So we got the location, and let's check it out. That Nusa, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, all the sunset, and one is Ombak. All is sunset, and one is Ombak Bay. So it is working fine. So now, showing these values, we have to go for a printout single portrait, heading column not displayed. So we'll go for the print, and this is how it will print. We'll go for the print, and printout 4 is done, and it's complete now. Thank you.